Hi there, welcome back to Zero Math. In this video, we are going to discuss about the various number systems in maths. The four most common number system in maths are binary, octal, decimal and hexadecimal number system. We will learn about these number systems and the conversions between different number systems. Let's first understand the decimal number system. Have a look at prefix deci in word decimal. Deci means 1/10 of the whole. For example, decimeter. Decimeter stands for 1/10 of a meter. Decade stands for 10 years. The deci is associated with number 10. Hence, the decimal number system is a base 10 number system, which means that there are 10 different numbers in the decimal number system. Those numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Including 0, these are 10 numbers. Let's discuss about the binary number system. Have a look at the prefix bi in word binary. Bi means 2 and hence the binary number system is a base 2 number system. It is represented by only two symbols or digits, that is 0 and 1. Computers use binary number system to store all data including number, word, video and graphics. Next is an octal number system. Look at the prefix octa. Octa means 8. For example, octagon. Octagon has got 8 sides. Hence, the octal number system is a base 8 number system, which means there are 8 different numbers in octal number system. Those 8 numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The next number system is hexadecimal number system. Have a look at prefix hexa. Hexa means 6. For example, hexagon. Hexagon has got 6 sides and we know that decimal corresponds to number 10. Hence, hexadecimal means 10 plus 6 is equal to 16. The hexadecimal number system is a base 16 number systems, which means it has 16 different numbers into it. Those numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are all numbers from the decimal number system and additionally it has got 6 letters. Those are A, B, C, D, E, F. A corresponds to 10, B corresponds to 11, C to 12, D to 13, E to 14 and F to 15. These are all 16 numbers in the hexadecimal number system. Now let's learn how to convert the decimal numbers to binary number, octal number and hexadecimal numbers. We will do it using the method called as successive division method. Let's convert the decimal number 282, which is represented as 282 base 10, to the binary number. We know that binary number is base 2 number, and since we are converting the decimal into the binary number, we will perform the successive division by 2. We will perform successive division by 2 until we get 0. So let's divide it by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8 and 2 ones are 2. There won't be any remainder. So you can see on right hand side, this is a column where I am going to write all the remainders. Let's divide 141 by 2 again. So 2 sevens are 14 and how many 2's can go into 1? It's 0. It will leave 1 as a remainder. How many 2's can go into 70? 35, leaving remainder as 0. Now how many 2's can go into 35? It's 17. 17 into 2 is 34, leaving remainder as 1. How many 2's can go into 17? 2 8's are 16, remainder will be 1. Now how many 2's can go into 8? 2 4's are 8, remainder will be 0. How many 2's can go into 4? 2 2's are 4, remainder will be 0. Now how many 2's can go into 2? 2 1's are 2, remainder will be 0. Now how many 2's will go into 1? Nothing, and my remainder will be 1. Now we are good to write down our answer. So our answer is this remainders. We are going to write it down from bottom to top. This is very important. You should remember. So let's write it down. 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 and 0. This is the binary representation of number 282, which is a decimal number. Friends, if you like our work, then please hit on the like button and pass your valuable feedback. Let us convert 282 base 10 to the octal number now. Octal number system is a base 8 number system, and since we are converting decimal to octal, we will perform the successive division by number 8. So let's divide 282 by 8. So 8 threes are 24. If we subtract 24 from 28, we will get 4 as a remainder. Let's take this 2 down, so it will be 42. 8 fives are 40, so we will get 2 as a remainder. 42 minus 40 is equal to 2. Now let's divide 35 by 8. So 8 fours are 32, remainder will be 3. How many 8 can go into 4 now? It's nothing. Hence 4 will be the remainder. Now we will write this number from bottom to up to represent it in the octal form. So let's write it down. 432 to the base 8, which means 282 base 10 equals to 432 base 8. Let us convert the same number 282 to the base 10 to the hexadecimal number now. Since hexadecimal number is a base 16 number system, what we are going to do, we'll perform the successive division by number 16. So here we go. How many 16s can go into 28? So 16 ones are 16. The remainder will be 12. So we'll take this 2 down. So it will be 122. 16 sevens are 112. So 122 minus 112, it will give remainder as 10. Now how many 16 can go into 17? It's 1. We're leaving remainder as 1. How many 16 can go into 1? Nothing. It will give me remainder as 1. We know that in hexadecimal number, number 10 is represented by letter A. 1 and 1 will be as it is. Now let's write down this number from bottom to up to represent it in hexadecimal format. So it will be 1, 1 and A, which means 282 to the base 10 equals 11A in base 16 number system, which is hexadecimal number system. I hope friends you have enjoyed this video, you have understood the concept. If yes, please do not forget to subscribe our channel and keep in touch with us for more videos like this. Thank you.